My name is Katarzyna Materka, short name is Kasia, and I'm from Seven Bulls from Poland. White girl from Poland coming to New York just for presenting some application called NebulOuS, on the right on the top. So, because this is open source solutions, and this combine Cloud Continuum, which I explained what is it in the presentation, and we are presenting the use case related to investments. So both those topics excellent connect to the topic of the conference, and for us it's a great pleasure and great opportunity to presenting our solution, our research which we made in Europe. So maybe I start with the agenda, and we will have a little bit break in a second, but yeah. So what I will be telling about, first I will try to explain what is Cloud Continuum, because I suppose that this is something new, or maybe not new and not so popular. Then I will try to explain what is a meta operating system, which NebulOuS is, and this is something really new and during the researching. Then I explain about NebulOuS itself, what is the platform, what is the aims of it. And finally, I presented the Omphalos Fund, which is a use case application, and this example how to use this cloud computing continuum in the financial world. So, going through the definition, I decided to start from the definition because this is not clear what is the short changing. Please, now it may be easier. Oh, we are back. Cool. We are based on the Sergio Moreschini, which is an Italian researcher, and we decided to provide this definition, what is the Cloud Continuum, and this is extension of the traditional clouds towards multiple entities. And this is really new things, because now we don't only focus on the cloud or cloud providers or one machine to one cloud, but we have edge, fog, IoT, and other devices, and that provide analysis, processing, storage, and data. Data is an important word here. Data generation capabilities. So this is important. Definition first. Oh, sorry. Okay, definitions, we have GAVAC. So where we might find the Cloud Continuum? So as I said, everywhere. First of all, in the public clouds, then in the fog and IoT, also in the data centers about private clouds. Next is edge on site and multi-access edge computing, and also in the micro data centers. So Cloud Continuum is almost everywhere, and we can find it. And with which connected it? So it's a multi-cloud and hybrid cloud, and mix of them. So Cloud Continuum basically is focused on all areas and try to cover all areas of clouds, no matter that is private or public, or just we try to keeping the continuum of cloud computing. So why? Next question. The next question is very easy answer. That is because of data. And we need lots of computation for all data. And this continuum allows us to act upon data in the most optimal way, and thus achieve the best utilization of available resources. Next definition. Why is important, and why our NebulOuS system is not only basic on Cloud Continuum, but also this is something more than normal platform. We, as partners, thinking that we have to explain two things. First, what is the operating system? And by Wikipedia is managed computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer program. And why is meta important? Because this is something above of it, something beyond of that. So this prefix meaning that is more comprehensive this normal operating system. Those meta operating system is something that system software that manages sets of computer resources and provides common services for computer program running of them. So this is more than normal operating system. That's why, and this is the consequences, that we have meta operating system for brokering hyper-distributed application on the cloud computing continuums. So this is a long sentence, but this is understanding what NebulOuS is. And this is a platform mainly, and we're developing it. But is very important is to understanding what this short name, no knowing for no one's here, I suppose, meaning. That's why I started with this explaining what is it. Yes, so NebulOuS is it's a project. Now it's also application platform, which is founded by the European Union. And this is more information than you can find on the website, of course. And we built it with a consortium. We start from this Onphalos, which is not a partner of the consortium, but an example of usage. But this is my company, 7Bulls, which I represented. But also there's lots of other partners and research institutes from all over the Europe, from Norway, from Greece, from Germany, from Spain, leading by the Spain Research Institute, EUROCAT. So this is quite huge resources of people, knowledge and experience, previously basing on the Cloud Continuum and cloud computing, basically, solutions. So what is the direction of works of NebulOuS? It's important to understanding what for is also this platform. So development of appropriate modeling methods and tools for describing the Cloud Continuum, application requirements and data streams. Those methods and tools will be used for assuring the quality of service of the provision services. Second direction is efficient comparison of available offerings. This is really helpful sometimes, and in this project we're using appropriate multi-criteria decision-making methods that they are able to consider all dimensions of consumer requirements. And next direction is addressing the security aspects in the Cloud Continuum. And final, also very important, is the conducting and monitoring smart contracts-based service level agreements. So this is our direction of works and what we will provide in the application. So this picture describes more or less what is the idea of the NebulOuS. So behind the idea of Cloud Continuum is to deploy and collaborate application components from different organizations and deploy different types of infrastructure. You can see that it's a cloud, edge, IoT. So in today's hyper-connected world, applications shared by different companies and organizations work together. And the rapid development of 5G and 6G means that applications deployed on mobile and IoT devices can take full advantages of resources hosted on edge servers and cloud operators. And the NebulOuS project aims to enable transparent deployment of such application and optimize their use both through different type of infrastructure, cloud and IoT, and organization. So this is really a solution working on the edge of many organizations and many interests. Here, it's really hard to see or read directly what is it, but I try to explain a little bit. This is architecture of NebulOuS. It's built entirely on the microservice architecture. The key components called control plan are the optimizer, that handles optimization of the usage resources, and the deployment manager that platform development of components is specific types of infrastructure. In addition, NebulOuS provides a full messaging and metric handling system called EMS. And blockchain-based SLA support. All communication is secured by security and privacy manager. This is the next component. And cloud resources data are retrieved by last component, brokerage component. So application deployment can be placed on Kubernetes cluster, virtual machines, and physical machines, as well as selected IoT devices. So as you can see, this is a very wide application trying to cover all problems or issues related to the Cloud Continuum and to this many different, as I said on the showing on previous, many different areas of interest of the Cloud Continuum. Okay. So development and development and sources. So NebulOuS software components are being developed on the under a Mozilla public license 2.0. And this is, of course, open source software, so we are inviting to participate in developing. This is also not only producing the software, this is open access research. This is Cloud Continuum culture dissemination, what I'm doing now. And this is also training for the researchers. And this is not all, this is open call. This could be something new for you, or maybe not. The open call has a 1.35 million euros fund available for 9 grants. The project will launch in the first round in February of 2024, and it's given the opportunity to discover NebulOuS, so everyone can apply to the open call, and if you have a use case which are related to IoT and edge or cloud infrastructure, you can participate in developing the application and learn, of course, more about Cloud Continuum. So, summarize about the NebulOuS. The aim of the project is accomplish substantial resources contribution to realms of the cloud, fog and edge computing brokerage by introducing advanced methods and tools for enabling source and optimal application provisioning and reconfiguration over the cloud computing continuum. So this is all about NebulOuS, and now how it works and what is for it and where we use it. This is on Follows Fund. This is alternative investment fund registered in Luxembourg, and and this is supported by AI investments company located in Poland also, which invest in AI using advanced technology developed by that mentions AI investments company. Follows Fund use the latest achievements in machine learning from price series prediction and optimize investments portfolio using algorithms based on Monte Carlo tree search with neural networks analogous to those used by AlphaGo, which won in Go against world champion KEG. It also uses edge servers to access data and execute transactions faster. And this is Follows Fund use Cloud Continuum approach to maximize efficiency and AI-based investments. And this is a proof how it is working, and excellent example of using AI and Cloud Continuum approach. So Follows Fund achieve a very good investment result. The return from the period when the envelopes start in January 19 until September 23 is over 27% with a very low capital down, 3%, only one loss month. And obtaining the AI allows for a very stable performance, because income follows found outperform selected benchmarks, S&P, like S&P 500 and SCO hedge index and Eureka AI hedge index. So this approach shows the future of investing based on the both AI and Cloud Continuum approach. So this is more or less what I want to show you. You can see more on NebulOuS Cloud. On NebulOuS Cloud social media and of course on the website. About the envelopes found, also there is information, lots more of them. I can provide some more details. And yes, for us it's a great opportunity to showing this solution here, because we are located in Europe. Of course, Europe is a great part of the research and developing, but this is not only one place. That's why this research project showing here and comparison combined with this works and earning money, totally not commercial, completely commercial fund from Luxembourg is really fitted to this place. So, yeah.
How much does the fund use like the IoT type information or edge type information from devices? And a follow-up to that is, how is the 5G and 6, I guess you mentioned 6G evolution in Poland specifically? How close is it to everyone, anywhere they are, having awesome like throughput?
But you are asking about Cloud Continuum, yes?
Yes.
I think this depends. We gather metric and the response from the each devices, and this, as I show you in the architecture. So this system called AMS gathering these metrics and gathering also time connecting with each devices around that, and then provide the best cloud provider who will be the best, who will keep this continuum of usage of cloud. I don't know if this is a right answer.
So when the investment fund needs to calculate something and it's sort of bidding out to these different providers?
This is a different story with the investments, because there is a training of the methods, and the methods which make a transaction of the, this is investing by in the forex. So this is a transaction every moment, and they are collecting data, training the methods, artificial intelligence methods, or maybe machine learning more, and then support trying to find this huge amount of data. So they need to really be in continuum all the time, but not every time. This depends on the peak of the data which we provide, which we gathering in one time. And this is not related directly to the 6G and 5G in case of the envelopes fund. This is mostly from the telecom, or this example we did, because NebulOuS is not only to the not only for the financial application, it's also for the telecom, for the I don't know, e-commerce, other applications. So this is a different types of gathering data.
How does the connectivity part work? Do you directly connect to the exchanges, or do you use the edge side to connect to the?
You have to explain more. Sorry.
As per the NebulOuS project is as well used for AI-based investment.
AI investments, yeah.
And high frequency trading, in fact, high frequency AI-based investment, right?
Yes. So the frequencies depends, like the same, the gathering this data. This depends how period.
AI-based is the trade
So-
executed by the machine without a human interference, and the machine takes decisions on the trade.
But machines are trained and they're gathering data and they have lots of methods to checking which is the best for the investment, and that is which AI investments tools provide. And then during due of this continuum of usage of cloud, so this changing of the data in the cloud, then they can make a right decision to the making a transaction fluently. So I don't know that this is answer. I try to. Yeah. I hope that I answer more or less. Thanks.
Which products does it trade into? Does it trade into forex, equity, fixed income?
This is Omphalo's fund. This is a fund which is which products is really invest in AI investments platform. So this is the machine, let's say, tool needed for usage by Omphalo's fund for investing. This AI investment platform. Yeah. So thank you very much. I thought that will be no one's here on the last session. So thank you for coming.